All right, everybody, welcome to the live trading session. It's been a few days that we last traded live. I think last week was the last time we actually traded live, and then the holiday, the Easter. There was an holiday on Friday. Easter. I didn't trade on Friday. Easter Sunday, Easter Monday, and so it's been an amazing break. And then now we are back to continue our trading activities. Um, yeah, I've sent the invites to people on the Telegram to join, so I think we should be technically okay. All right, so let's quickly get through to the analysis, straightforward. The first thing we want to do right now, obviously, I have not done any analysis today, right? But before then, um, let me also give you an update on what's going on with the challenge, the prop firm challenge. Remember that we're still trading the phase two. Last week wasn't that easy. I needed about $80 to pass the challenge, and then I lose all the trades that I was taking. And even now, I'm in drawdown already. I'm in drawdown of about $163, meaning that I need to now recover back the loss first, and then I'll potentially pass in the challenge. I've taken about 12 trades on the account, and it's very ridiculous. Like, we've passed phase one already, so why is it hard to pass, like, past phase two? And then, but anyway, so the plan now is to try to use the remaining risk. I have about $236 remaining. So I need to try and use this money that is remaining to potentially, recover back the losses and eventually make profit. If everything is right this week, apparently we should do 2 or 3 trades and we're done, right? And I don't really want to do more than that, honestly. And I want to smash this challenge. I want to pass it, and I want to get it. I want to get done with it. Okay, with that said, what we can do actually is let's look at the analysis on the chart. What we need first of all is we really need a good trade setup, right? And for us to really have a good trade setup, one of the first thing we can quickly do right now is let's mark out our area of previous day high, previous day low, stuff like that, as usual, right? So in order for us to do that, let me quickly let me remove some of this thing that I have on the screen. So we have about 4 minutes for the market to open itself, and we are going to potentially. So I'm going to draw my previous day high and previous day low. Okay. So the reason why I identify my previous day high and low is so that I can know where liquidity is currently sitting, right? And those are interesting liquidity levels, especially for NASDAQ, the previous day high and previous day low level. So this is the previous high for yesterday, Monday, and the previous day low for Monday, meaning the lowest point price was trading on Monday, is right here. Okay, so this is the previous day low. So apparently, price is actually trading within a particular range right now. And what I notice now is that we have not taken neither the previous day low or the previous day high. So there is a potential chance for NASDAQ to do something today. The market right now is bullish, so that's the current trend right now. So if anything, maybe it's best for us to be looking for buying, And right now, price is at the support level for buying. So hopefully they can be like an extra push from here. And imagine buying from here right now and putting your stop here. That would give you a 100-point stop loss, right? So if you buy from here, then you can target the top over there. So what I'm not going to buy pre-market open. I'm going to buy after the market open, or I'm going to execute a trade after the market open. But you can see that NASDAQ is still respecting this supply zone at the top here. So that's something I just noticed now. Since we're still respecting the supply zone to the top, potentially, it means that and the structure hasn't actually flipped bearish. It's still being respected. So I wouldn't say we're bearish yet. I would just say that okay, there's a chance that price can go into a liquidity level. So let me turn on my liquidity session for liquidity indicator for Asian. So I need to know where's my Asian range so that I can potentially identify where the highs and lows are. Okay. Why can't I see? Okay, let me just reload the. Let me reload my trading view because it's missing my indicator. I'm wondering why. So there's 2 minutes to the opening. I'm just going to prepare my trading device down so that if the opportunity just come, then I'm going to immediately enter the trade. I'm not going to hesitate. I'm not going to hesitate. If I do have like a confirmation entry, the trade, I think, okay, this trade is going to go well, then I'm going to execute it immediately without waiting or without thinking about it. Okay. So potentially I'm looking to use a really big lot size, like lot size 2. But if I need to use lot size 1, why not? As long as I can hold the trade for as long as it needs. So I might do lot size 2 or lot size 1. It depends. Okay, let me first of all leave it at lot size 2. Okay, 1 minute to the opening. Wait, where's my indicator? Indicators. What happened to my indicator? My indicator went away. I can't identify my Asian high and Asian low because my indicator basically went away. That's not good. That is not good. All right, so it seems like we are approaching the Asian low actually. The Asian low, we are approaching the Asian low. So 1 minute to the opening. 1 minute to the opening. All right, it's showtime. Ooh, NASDAQ is buying. It's potentially pushing up, but I'm not gonna execute yet because what if it wants to? What if it is doing like an early push, right? It might just be doing an early push. Oh, I didn't also check if we actually have news, so it's very important to check that because trading around news is not good. Okay, there's no news, so that's fine. That is fine. So I want to scalp some entry because there's a buying momentum, and I'm thinking that if they want to actually buy, let me join them. So I'm joining the buy scalp, right? So if it makes any small money, I'm gonna take it, but hopefully it doesn't lose me money as well. If it loses me money, then I'm cooked already. So I joined the current movement that is potentially moving. Anyway, that's just a scalp I'm trying to do. So what I'm thinking right now is something messed up my setup right here. Where is my setting? Where is my setting? Where is my setting? I entered a buy and then I'm cooked right now. I'm potentially chopping stop loss. I'm potentially chopping stop loss. If I chop stop loss right now, I'm gonna be so pissed because I should have waited for proper analysis before I actually enter. I didn't. Okay. Okie dokie. I am potentially. So right now I'm looking for. So I try scalping the entry that I just started now, but I'm going to exit now because it's not looking good. So it's best that I actually exit the scalp I'm trying to do. So it seemed like there is I thought that the market is actually, yeah, we are bullish, and then we took the high. Just give me a minute, guys. I'm looking for the session indicator. I use a session indicator, but I can't find it right now. I can't find it right now. I can't find it right now. My session indicator, I cannot find it. All right, guys. I don't think there is a setup yet, actually. I also haven't identified like an area that I should buy from. So I think today I will just use today to basically just look at the markets, and I think because I've been away from the chart for for like a few days, I need to get back in line to be in tune with it, and hopefully I can start to capitalize. Hopefully I can start to capitalize on markets. So what do I think right now? I'm trying to, something messed up with my formation where my Asian session high and low is, and I'm trying to find it again. So I've been trying to reload the old chart since, and it's not been coming back up. It has not been coming back up. Obviously, what happened? Where is my... What happens to my indication? What happened to my indicator? Okay, let me go full screen mode. Maybe I'm gonna see it in full screen mode. In full screen mode as well, I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it in full screen mode. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where did my indicator run to? Like, I have an indicator icon and I can't find it right now. I'm looking for my indicator icon. I can't find my indicator icon. Can't find my indicator icon, guys. So basically, I just need the indicator icon for me to. Okay, let me check my scripts. Oh, okay. Asian range, NASDAQ 230. Okay, let me favorite it. Maybe it's gonna come. Oh, okay. Okay. So, okay. So I bring it back now. Perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I was trying to scalp NASDAQ, right? But it has not yet enter profit. But if it's actually give me like a profit, I might just take whatever profit it can give me. Because I'm trying to just do a quick scalp of the current formation. And so now I can see, I can actually see the Asian range now. Now that I can actually see the Asian range, so I do think that since now we've taken the Asian low, there's a chance that NASDAQ can go and tap back into the Asian high. So let's see, does it make sense to actually buy here? Actually, there is no setup right now, guys. No setup. So it's best that we should just let's just wait. Let's sit on our hand. Me, I'm trying to scalp, but there's no setup right now. The setup for buying is actually at the bottom of the current price, and it's not, price is not there at all. If we want to do anything, it's best to wait for price to get there, actually. So most likely today we'll just be watching what the price is doing, and then we would position ourselves for hit. All right, guys. Let's give it some time. Let's see if we would see any clean setup that we can all take together. For me, I'm scalping right now. I'm in a trade, but it's a scalp. I'm just scalping a buy. But it's not the best. It's not advice that you should do it. So the entry is even very very poor because the entry is somewhere here, and I'm in drawdown. The scalp buy entry was somewhere here. It's somewhere here. Okay, so it's somewhere here. And let me see, stop is how many points? It's about 74 points. Stop is 74 points. 74 points, and right here, if it actually goes to the previous day high level, there's a chance that it makes like good money. You get, so hopefully that happens, and I'm gonna be in a good position. want to show it for me like all right, guys. NASDAQ is choppy right now. It's choppy, choppy, choppy. NASDAQ is choppy. So it seems like a lot of sellers are actually in that level. Like they are potentially just pushing the price, in a certain direction. S&P 500 on the other hand is strongly pushing down. US 30 is pushing down, and that's crazy. That's crazy. Although there is a chance that what US 30 is doing, NASDAQ is going to do, but it's not always guaranteed. Yeah, there's a chance that that's exactly what's going to happen though. So I think I should close my current entry and call it a day. I think so. I've had two chances to actually close, but I didn't close. Alright, guys and girls, let's wait. So it seemed like NASDAQ will respect that supply level, yeah, and potentially go into the from there. It's going to potentially go down from there. So maybe we can, position for maybe from where it is right now. Although the 1 minute formation is very, the 1 minute formation, the formation of 1 minute looks like the 1 minute structure is 1 minute structure is somewhat bullish. 1 minute structure is somehow bullish, yeah. But the direction of the lower time frame right now is bearish. But in the immediate currently right now, 1 minute is potentially maybe trying to flip back to being bullish, but not the best formation. All right, guys and girls, I think we should take a chill pill and wait for what price is going to do. All right, and we can potentially maybe come back later. All right, guys. I think we should actually just call it a day from here. I don't think that we're gonna get any setup. I'm also not yet properly in sync with the price yet. I'm everywhere for now. So I think let's go and be a little bit patient and have some patience. Let's go have some patience. Let's go have some patience, guys and girls, guys and girls. So there's a chance that NASDAQ may want to go to the previous day low, right? So I closed the buy already. I closed the buy. In case NASDAQ wants to go for previous day low, I think we might be able to see a buy formation from that level, which is really going to be good. And hopefully that happens, and then we can take the trade in that direction. I don't want to keep looking at the chart because I might end up here taking some extra trades. Probably, guys. Let's go and take a chill pill now. Let's go and have an amazing day. Tomorrow, most likely, we would see a proper setup and a proper formation. And I'm quite everywhere today, and I think that we could potentially take multiple losses today. you know, in this type of state of mind. So I'll just continue to chill for the rest of the day and come back stronger tomorrow. So I don't think there's any setup right now, but if any setup should show up right now. So what I did actually is I closed the buy and I flipped it to sell. So I took a minor loss there. But right now I'm potentially going to wait for price to get to this bottom. Yeah. So there's a chance that NASDAQ is going to get to this previous day low, and from previous day low, maybe there will be an opportunity to, you know, to take a buy from there. So that's what I'm hoping right now. And if that happens, that would be really good, and we can be in a nice place. So if any setup actually show up, I'm going to share it on the Telegram channel so that we can all take it and be a part of it. So I think we should trade carefully. Let's go and enjoy the rest of the day. In 1 minute's time, after the 1 minute candle close, I might end the stream as well. All right, so nothing right now. I don't think there's any trade setup coming in this session immediately. So let's be patient. All right, wow, see the sell is pushing. The sell is pushing. The sell is potentially pushing. All right, thank you, everybody. Let's have an amazing day, and then we'll see each other again tomorrow live stream. Thank you for coming, and I do hope that we pass the challenge as soon as possible so we can go on to the next one, live account and etc. All right, let's have a nice one, guys. See you again.